I am Vetty Chanvi from Vetty and Vetty NEET Chemistry. In this channel, based on motivating the children or guide the children for NEET and JEE, I have uploaded about 200 videos with the basic knowledges. So use it during the lockdown period. Those are aiming for 2022 NEET and JEE. That is students of 11th, you can utilize all my videos. Okay, now let us see. Now I have started the 11th CBSE first lesson, some basic concepts. In the lesson so far I have taught you what is meaning of atomic mass, molar mass, and then molecular mass and the mole. So far we have finished. Now we are going to see the continuation of the topic with the heading is percentage composition. First, what is the meaning of percentage composition is some examples I gave for it. You are provided with the, let us take an example as of water. So whenever you are given with some sample of water mean, you will ask the first question, what are the elements are there? So what are the elements are there in the water mean? Hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, then you have to find out what is the percentage of the hydrogen and what is the percentage of oxygen in the given compound. So now this is the knowledge to find out the knowledge is find out the purity of the given substance. That is based on that only you have to calculate the percentage composition. For example, you are provided with some amount of water. So what we have to do is find out the percentage of hydrogen, find out the hydrogen percentage of your oxygen. If this is your sample, if your sample percentage of hydrogen and oxygen match to the standard percentage mean the sample is pure. Otherwise, it is some percentage impure. So, to find out the purity only, we have to go to calculate the percentage composition. So, again I am entering the examples of with the three examples with the provided. Simple one is water, another one is ethyl alcohol. These two as an example it is given, and the third chemical is called as a sodium sulfate, which is given in the exercise. For all the three, we will find out the percentage composition of the element in the formula. Now let us see the first one. Okay, first example we will take it as a standard. It is your water. Now let us see the percentage composition of your water. Okay, what is the formula is percentage mass composition or percentage of the element in the compound. Percentage of the element in the compound. Element in the compound is equal to mass of the element, mass of the particular element. Okay. For water, the standard formula is mass percentage of the particular element in the compound is equal to mass of the element in the compound divided by the total mass of the molar mass of the molar mass of the compound into 100. That is your percentage composition into 100. Regarding the first one, in the water, now let us see the water. Mass of the, what is the, now let me write mass percentage of element. So now I want percentage of hydrogen. Okay, what is the, for in the water H2O, one hydrogen is 1.008, you are having totally 2 divided by your molar mass of water. What is the molar mass of water? Hydrogen is 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So in the denominator, mass of the molar mass is equal to 18 into 100. So this one simplification, this one that is your, what is it? It is getting your, what is, okay, let me write here, 1602 divided by 18 into 100. This is getting cancelled, 9, 1 point, that is, yes, you can write this is, now this is enough of course. Okay children, 1.008 into 100, into 100 means just into 100 divided by 9. Okay, this one I am writing as a into 100. 100.8 divided by 9 is equal to 11.1. You will get it. Yes. Next one, let us go to the oxygen. Weight of 11.18. You are getting the correct percentage of hydrogen. Okay, now same thing we will do for percentage of oxygen is equal to 1 weight of, this is your molar mass of water. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Only one number only, 16 into 1 divided by molar mass is 18 into percentage composition is 100. So now on getting cancel with the, what is your 2 means here it is 8 and it is 9. So what is your answer is 800 divided by 9, that is equal to, what you are getting is 88.79%. So finally, if you are adding these two, you should get the 100. Okay, children. So this is the way you have to find out the percentage composition of the element in the given molecule. This is one example we have finished. Let us go to the next example is ethyl alcohol. Okay, children. Shall we go to the second example? Okay. Let us keep the formula, standard formula as it is. Now we are moving to the ethyl alcohol. Second example is your ethyl alcohol, or its IUPAC is call it as a ethanol. Okay, formula is ready. You have to find out, first one is your work is to find out the molar mass of the compound. You have to find out. Compound is equal to 2 carbon. 1 carbon is 12 into 2 plus. Okay, total hydrogen is 5 plus 1 6. I am taking 6 as it is. Plus, your oxygen is 16. You find out this is 24 plus 6 plus 16. Okay, 30, 46. So, your molar mass of the compound is 46 gram per mole. You can take it, or unified mass, depends upon the question. Okay, so now 46 I am taking as a unified mass itself. Your molar mass of your ethyl alcohol is ready. Okay, now let us go to the percentage of your mass percentage of, yes, mass percentage of carbon is equal to weight of carbon is 24 divided by overall weight is 46 into 100. Okay, next one, mass of your oxygen, mass percentage of your, you are going for next hydrogen, mean what is the weight of hydrogen is 6 divided by 46 into 100. Okay, third one is mass percentage of oxygen is equal to, atomic weight of oxygen is 16, molar mass is 46 into 100. So this one on simplification you are getting, first one is 52.14%. On simple calculation you can get it. In the case of hydrogen, this is a hydrogen, you are getting 13.13%. And your oxygen you are getting is 34.73%. Okay, this is your example of your ethyl alcohol is over. Next one, first lesson, book back exercise, question number 2. Calculate the mass percentage of the different element present in the sodium sulfate. This is the given chemical. Formula for sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Because the valency of sulfate is 2, you are writing here, so Na2SO4. First you should know how to write the formula, that is, it is given in the question itself. Okay. Now let us, first your work is your molar mass you have to calculate for sodium sulfate. Atomic mass of sodium is 23, into 2 it is your 46. Again 1 sulfur is 32, oxygen, 1 atomic mass of oxygen is 16 into 4, you are 64. So now on adding this one, you are getting the 142 is the molar mass of your sodium sulfate in the unified mass. Now you have to calculate one by one. You have to calculate the mass percentage of sodium is equal to. What is the weight of sodium? What is the weight of sodium is 46, because you have provided the 2 sodium. Divide by 142 into 100. This is the percentage of your sodium. Next one is mass percentage of your, you see the second element is sulfur. Atomic weight of sulfur is 32. Molar mass of sodium sulfate is 142 into 100. Next, the last one is mass percentage of oxygen is equal to, atomic weight of oxygen is 60 divided by 142 into 100, that is equal to. This oxygen, children, here it is 64. One correction. Okay, 64 divided by molar mass 142 into 100. Answer children, now on after completing the calculation, first for sodium you are getting 32.39. For sulfur the mass percentage is 22.54. Mass percentage of oxygen is 45.07. What it indicate, if the given sample is giving this much of sodium, this much of sulfur, this much of oxygen, mean it indicate the given sample is pure. If it is deviate from this mass percentage, mean the given sample is that percentage deviated from the purity. To find out the purity, we require the calculation of percentage composition. Thank you children.